on the Suprema. This color is called tortora. So as you can see, it's kind of like a beige color. Now, I do want you to come in and zoom and see the finish of the stove. In a lot of the photos, the finish appears to have an enamel. This is not enamel, it is flat, so it's porous. If you spill any type of food on here, it's really important that you clean it off right away because it's not enamel. It can bake on, which makes it harder to clean. So I'll just go ahead and open up the firebox and the oven here so you can see that. The oven does have 5 different levels for the rack. You do have the enameled sheet as well as a standard oven rack. Your oven cleanout is located on the front of the stove. Now, the Suprema does have a dual layer glass, so you can see the interior glass as well as the exterior, so that provides you with more thermal heat protection. You do have a pan below the stove. This is a shallower pan, kind of similar to the Rosa XXL. Again, your ash pan is located directly below the firebox, as well as your oven cleanout. This one will be similar to the Rosa as well, in the fact that you do have removable plates above the oven, as well as the firebox and a center flue. So this is Sarah with Obadiah's, and thanks for watching. This is the Nordica Suprema in the color